Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, my maths exam is over.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, just a second, but today we will start new topic. Okay, Heron's formula.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rohit.
ma'am, my maths exam was over. My exams are over now.
Your
Ma'am, I
exam.
just made a few silly mistakes in the MCQs.
Just a second. I'm not able to listen. Just a second.
Ma'am, there was a question in my paper. 1 second.
Okay, you are sending a questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Write it on the chat box.
Ma'am, you can clarify them after class is over and send it on the doubt group.
Yeah, as your wish. If you want to send on the group, so send it to me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll send it after class is over.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. I will check it.
Ma'am, I have my maths test at Thursday.
Your test on?
Thursday.
Okay. So, questions have finished already or anything left?
Ma'am, can you give revision worksheets for polynomials and number system?
Okay, you want to revise polynomials and number system.
Ma'am, do you have revision worksheet for those chapters?
Yeah, sure. I am sending you both the worksheets. If you have any doubt now, so let me know in the class. I will help you.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, most of the tricky questions we'll only get from polynomials or the number system, right? We won't get from coordinate geometry.
Yeah, the in the polynomial na splitting middle term factorization. Okay, four digit factorization. There are 3 steps. Division one also. That would be important. Identities are most important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in the last exercise 2.5, there are uh, uh, yeah, there are identities exercise now. So that one is very
Ma'am, in
important.
the new textbook, there are only 2.4 exercises. Four
But in
exercises.
2.4 also the identities also in that one.
Yeah, ma'am.
If there is a 2.4, because na, the some exercise merged in this year. Or
Ma'am, the remainder theorem was removed.
yeah, remainder theorem is very, very important. The 3 marker, four marker max, there this is coming.
Ma'am, it's removed from the new textbook.
Yes. And in number system, express the following in the form of P by Q is important. Number line is important and rationalization. Okay. Rationalization topic is very important. If you want to revise number system polynomial, so let me know. We will do the both the chapter revise it again. Okay. Do you want to take revision?
Ma'am, could you once do for polynomials?
Polynomial you want to take revision again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anyone has problem in this? Can we do the revision?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be a revision for me also because we just started a chapter in school.
Which chapter you are doing in school?
Ma'am, we didn't get polynomials for the pen and paper test. We're doing it right now.
Okay. Okay, so first we will revise polynomial again today, okay? Because some students demand, I think this topic is coming in their exam, na? So just a second. I'm bringing my pen. Okay, just a second. Okay, now find it out. First of all, what you will do in this question. Then I'm giving you one factor theorem also. Do it and we will discuss the answer first.
Ma'am, this is the area 25x square minus 35x.
Ma'am, could you
Ma'am.
once explain this question to me? I haven't understood this clearly.
You have a doubt in this question?
Yes, ma'am, I just don't know how to approach it.
Okay, okay. So you know the splitting the middle term? How
Yeah,
to
ma'am, I know that. I know that.
Yeah, so that one method you will apply
Oh,
this.
oh, okay.
Okay, first of all,
Ma'am, then we have to take the common for 25, right?
yes, yes, you will
Okay.
multiply these two numbers and then you find out which the sum of two number will be 35 and the product is
12. Yes, ma'am, I
25
got it.
into 20. Yeah. Okay, now solve it. Then we will discuss the answer firstly.
Ma'am, ma'am,
So what is the answer of first one?
ma'am, it's 20x minus 14.
Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, is it
Breaking.
20x minus 14?
The first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am checking it, but I am writing that one answer. Match your answer. This is 990119992. Match your answer quickly. I am writing the previous one.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
If any doubt, then let me know.
Ma'am, first one after that, can you
Yeah,
show
first one I am writing. Just a second. Then you will match. The first one, there are two brackets. First one is 5x minus 3, 5x minus 4. Is this clear? This is your answer or not?
Ma'am,
can-
but wouldn't the answer be 20x minus 14? Like, wouldn't we continue to find the perimeter?
But this is your length and breadth. Yeah. Yeah, this is length, this is breadth. You have to find out the perimeter. So the formula of perimeter is 2L plus B. Then you will calculate 2, length is 10x plus 7 when you will calculate the length and breadth. After solving, okay, length is 5x minus 3, breadth is 5x minus 4. So your final answer will be 20x minus 14, right? This is right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in these two questions? Any doubt? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving you two more questions.
Ma'am, can you once explain the first one, how to solve it?
You know that how to splitting the middle term.
Yeah, ma'am.
That one answer is coming 5x minus 3, 5x minus 4.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
This one coming or not? Firstly, you tell me this one.
Ma'am, I didn't get the right answer.
Okay, okay. So after that, you will apply the formula perimeter of rectangle.
Okay, okay.
So perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Now this is your length, this is your breadth. So how to solve it?
2 into 5x minus 3,
5x minus 3 plus 5x minus
5x
2.
minus 4.
So 10x minus 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now I'm giving you the next one. And the next coming text, your objective one. So I'm giving you the polynomial. So that you will revise it again.
Ma'am, will maximum questions come from polynomial?
Which one?
If we have the chapters number system and polynomials, Maximum
Yes.
questions will come from polynomials or number system.
Yes, maximum. Because now,
Ma'am,
the first question I'm giving you that one type. Other one is a identity number, any number. This is also important. And now I'm giving you the value one question. So maximum question are coming in from
Well,
polynomial.
for me, they gave the maximum number. They didn't give any root numbers on the number line. They gave maximum questions from linear equations for me.
Linear equation, and this only solution and graph.
Yeah, ma'am, they gave a 5 marker for graph.
Yeah, 5 marker. Yeah, one question, no, only then.
Ma'am, one question was that,
And
and case
MCQ.
study question also they gave from linear equation.
Yeah, otherwise, na MCQs, maximum
Ma'am,
MCQs.
maximum MCQs were from linear and coordinate.
Yeah, linear and coordinate, because na coordinate geometry is a very basic quadrant. Something about the quadrant. So this will become in MCQs.
Ma'am, they gave very less questions from number system. They
Maximum.
only gave, ma'am,
Okay.
they gave less. They only gave two. They gave only one tough one,
So,
ma'am.
Rohit, have you uploaded your question paper on the
Ma'am, I'll upload it after.
after the class? Okay, you uploaded. I'm checking it. Okay.
Mhm.
Now do this question. For what value of m is this one by the x plus 2? How to do this? Let me know the answer quickly. I'm waiting. Okay, write it on the chat box.
ma'am, means we should divide.
Yeah, you have to find firstly x values from it and then put it down.
Ma'am, are we supposed to?
Yeah, you have to put the x value. Na x is -2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to put and find out the value of k. Write it on the chat box, your answers.
Ma'am, can you give another question?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am,
Yeah, your answer is correct. One is the correct one. The m
ma'am,
value is one.
second question, is it minus 27
No, this
x
is not
cube?
minus. This is dash. This is not minus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now find out. Harshit has written the answer in the chat box. It is correct. Now let me know your answer is coming same 1 and that one 3x plus y plus z.
Mm,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the first one, answer is what, ma'am?
Sampath, your voice is not clear to me.
Ma'am, first one answer, can you repeat? I got one like that.
Yeah, first one is m value is 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Yes,
no,
yes,
ma'am.
m is equal to 1. Yes. And next one, match your answer.
Ma'am, should we simplify that question?
Now you will start to do, just a second. I'm coming. Are you doing the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Four m minus 7n, 16m square plus 28 mn. Yeah, it is correct. Yukta, your answer is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Now match the answer. Now I'm giving you the factor theorem. X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. आएगा थोड़ा ही ले आएगा, फिर ये कहते खराब हो रहा है एक दिन का भी। कहानी उसे मैं फोन कर देती हूँ। 100 ग्राम जितना तो है ही ना, क्योंकि ये पहले निपटा लेता ना।
Ma'am, I'm getting 924 for the second one. Oh, it's 1 second, ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a factor theorem, so that you will write the 3 steps. This is 3-step question. Okay, now do it fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yukta?
ma'am, are the factors x plus 1, x minus 3, and x minus 2?
Okay, write it on the chat box. I'm checking it.
Okay.
Yeah, write it on the chat box because all are also doing now. So they also match their answers. Yukta, your sign is wrong. This is x minus 1. Recheck at once. X plus 3, x plus 2, x minus 1. All sign are incorrect.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain that x cube
Can I
minus?
explain you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am explaining. Only sign problem, otherwise all are correct. So the first step is, I think, in which now you will take the minus 1. Minus 1 cube. This is your first step. Minus 1 square. You will assume minus 1. So this is minus 1. This is minus 4. This is minus 1. This is 6. So minus 6 plus 6. That would be 0. Now you will divide x plus 1. Because if you are taking minus 1 now, so that you will divide plus 1. Got it? Got it? So now you
Yes.
will divide. Are you ready? Okay. So now you will divide x plus 1 by this one.
Ma'am,
Now you check. Yes.
ma'am, what if the problem comes at factorize the following in factor theorem?
The question, factorization.
Yes, ma'am, this question.
Yeah, the question is factorization.
Ma'am, if it comes to do in factor theorem.
Yeah, but there is a no mention now. This is the name of this question is factor theorem, but only in your exam and in your book now the question is factorize.
Ma'am, is there any other method?
We will do practice in these type of questions again. I think you have a doubt.
Ma'am, actually, can we do another?
Okay,
day?
no problem. So today is Tuesday now. Actually, I didn't take yesterday's class na. That's why you are taking today. So tomorrow you have a off on the behalf of Muharram. So day after tomorrow, we will do these type of questions only. Okay, you will revise it. And in the coming test, objective type questions, you have to prepare the polynomial topic. Okay, we will do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Complete this question, okay? We will discuss in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
week.